Hey, y'all. Like, what in the world is she doing? Come down here with me. I am improving on my craft. So I have a question about, oh God, I'm going with this foolishness every time, about electricity. Okay? I'm gonna put y'all on this end right here so you can look at it with me. In case I need you. Okay, so I'm fishing the line. Feed it through this box. Okay. So, here's some scissors. And just to make sure I didn't forget anything, I got me a tester. Okay, you guys. Okay, so thank you for hanging in there with me. I know you're wondering what happened. Well, let's test it. We got a red, orange light. All right. So this, don't worry about that. I'm not a sheetrock person. So my brother's going to come take care of that. This is the new location of our new plug. So again, as I mentioned, thank you all for hanging out with me. Again, I'm not advocating for anyone who is not comfortable with doing anything to do it. Again, my disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, plumber, carpenter, any of those things. Again, I'm just someone who knows and enjoy how to how to do DIY things. So again, thank you. I hope this was helpful for someone. Thank you for taking your time, chilling out with me, walking with me through this process. I am exhausted, and you all have a good evening. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a good day.